Toothpaste is made, from ancient powders to modern tubes. The science in your bathroom hook. You probably use toothpaste twice a day without thinking about it, but this minty paste has a fascinating history stretching back thousands of years. Question: what's in that tube? How did it get there? And what exactly does it do for your teeth? Today, we are taking a behind-the-scenes look at the science and the factory process of making modern toothpaste. Part 1. The surprising history of toothpaste. Ancient beginnings. Circa 1500 BC, the ancient Egyptians were the first to create a dental cleaning paste, more of a powder. Their recipe was abrasive and harsh, sometimes including powdered ox hooves, eggshells, pumice, and ash. The Greeks and Romans. They refined the recipes, adding things like crushed bones and oyster shells for more abrasiveness. The 1800s. The transition to paste. Before the 1850s, people mostly used tooth powders. Early modern pastes added ingredients like soap, around 1824, and chalk, 1850s. 1873. Colgate starts mass-producing toothpaste, first sold in jars. The Tube Revolution. 1892 American dentist Dr. Washington Sheffield is credited with creating the first collapsible tube packaging. Inspired by the tube's artist's use for paint, making it more hygienic than dipping a brush into a communal jar. The modern. 1945. Soap is replaced by better emulsifying agents like sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, which creates the expected foam. 1956. The first mass-marketed fluoride toothpaste, Crest, is introduced, marking the beginning of toothpaste as a serious decay-preventing agent. Part 2. What's in modern toothpaste? The 5 key ingredients. Modern toothpaste is a complex mix of about a dozen ingredients, but they fall into 5 main categories. Ingredient category purpose common examples. 1. Abrasives, 10 to 40%, to physically scrub off plaque, stains, and debris. Hydrated silica, silica gels, calcium carbonate. 2. Humectants, 20 to 70%, to prevent the paste from drying out, keep it smooth, and help it dispense easily. Glycerin, sorbitol, which also acts as a sweetener. 3. Water, 5 to 30%, the main liquid base, plain or purified water. 4. Binders, thickeners, 1 to 2%, to stabilize the formula and ensure the solid and liquid parts don't separate, maintaining the creamy texture. Xanthan gum, carrageenan, cellulose gum. 5. Surfactants or detergents, 1 to 3%, to create the foam or lather, helping the paste spread around the mouth and lift debris. Sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. Bonus: active or therapeutic agents, the ingredients that provide benefits beyond cleaning. Fluoride, sodium fluoride or stannous fluoride, for cavity prevention. Potassium nitrate for sensitivity. Bonus: flavoring or coloring to make the experience pleasant. Part 3. The factory process, how it's made today. The process is essentially a large-scale, precision blending operation, typically performed in a stainless steel vacuum mixer to prevent air bubbles. Preparation of the liquid base, the dissolve phase. Water, humectants, like glycerin and sorbitol, and binders are measured and mixed first. The ingredients are often heated to help the binders dissolve and create the consistent, gel-like base. Adding the powders, the mix phase. The dry ingredients, primarily the abrasives, silica, calcium carbonate, and the active ingredients, like fluoride, are carefully added to the liquid base. This mixing often happens under a vacuum to ensure a smooth, air bubble-free final product. The speed and duration of the mixing are precisely controlled. The final touches, the flavor phase. Flavoring oils, mint, cinnamon, etc., sweeteners, and surfactants, SLS, are added last. These ingredients are often volatile or sensitive to heat, so they are incorporated when the mixture is cooler and nearing its final form. Quality control and filling. The final paste is sampled and tested for consistency, pH level, texture, and correct active ingredient concentration. The paste is then piped to high-speed tube filling machines. A pump fills the empty tube from the bottom, and the machine then crimps and seals the bottom of the tube. This seal is what you break when you first open the box.